probability of the following event? So, when a die is rolled, what is the probability of getting first? When you roll a die, what are the possible outcomes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so para maging sample space, braces, and capital letter S. So after writing all the possible outcomes here, so let us answer the following question. Letter A. What is the probability of getting a number 4? Anyone, if you want to answer, just raise your hand. Valero, what is your answer? Very good. 1 over 6. Ilan anak yung 4? Isa lang. Over, ilan lahat to? 6. So therefore, anong klaseng probability? Theoretical, experimental? Okay, very good. Theoretical. Without doing the experiment na identify natin yung probability of getting a number 4. How about letter B? Getting an odd number. What is an odd number? 2 not divisible by 2. And that is? 1, 3, 5. Ilan po lahat yun? Okay, 3 over 6 or lowest term anak. Okay, very good. 1/2 or 50%. Next, letter C. A number that is more than 6. Oh, ano yung number more than 6? 7, 8, and so on. Ngayon, meron ba dito? Okay, therefore, our numerator is 0 over 6 or just simply 0. Impossible to happen kasi 0%. And then for letter D, a number that is less than 7. Ano yung less than 7?
6, 5, 4, 3, 4.
Ibig sabihin, lahat yan. O letter D, what is your numerator? 6 over 6 or 1 or very good, 100%. Certain. Meaning, 100% to happen. Okay, 100% ang chance na makakuha ka ng number less than 7.